Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make rosemary oil at home. Rosemary oil is a great addition to your skincare, hair care routine. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which make it great for treating acne, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy hair growth. It's super easy to make, so let's get started. First, you'll need some fresh rosemary. You can either pick it up from your garden or buy it from the store. Make sure to wash it thoroughly and pat it dry with a clean towel. Next, take out the leaves from rosemary stem so it's easier to extract oil from it. You will need about a cup of rosemary leaves for this recipe. Now, fill a pot with water and bring it to the boil. While the water is boiling, we'll get other things ready. Now add the rosemary to the bowl and pour enough carrier oil to cover it. You can use any carrier oil you like, such as olive oil, coconut oil, or jojoba oil. Here I'm using olive oil, and that is extra virgin olive oil. The brand that I'm using is Lupi Cool Extracted Extra Virgin Olive Oil. You should easily get this in your supermarket. Here is the mixture of oil and rosemary. Now our water is boiling. I'm going to put this bowl on top of the boiling water. Now I'm going to lower the heat and leave it like this for about 10 minutes. The smell of rosemary is so aromatic, it's so relaxing. My house is all smelling like rosemary and it is so relaxing. Make sure to stir the mixture well. Now turn off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. You can also leave this overnight if you want a stronger infusion. Now after an hour, it's time to strain the oil. Once you have strained the oil, put it in a clean glass jar. Make sure the glass is nice and dry and clean. I'm also adding rosemary stem into the jar just to make it look nice. And there you have it, your homemade rosemary oil. You can store it in a clean glass jar with a tight fitting lid and keep it in a cool and dark place. You can also put it in a container like this for easy application on your scalp. Now let's apply the homemade rosemary oil. At first, I'll start by detangling my hair and making sure it's knot free. Whenever you're applying hair oil, make sure your hair is fully detangled, as it will help to make it less tangled later on after washing it. I'm using the scalp massager to brush through my hair and let the blood flow before I apply any oil. This will help in blood circulation and will also help to strengthen your hair follicles. Now I'm going to use this homemade rosemary oil into my scalp. Making sure it gets all over my scalp and into all of the hair follicles. Remember, scalp is where your hair grows, so make sure to take care of your scalp. A healthy scalp means healthy hair. Now I'm going to massage it for a couple of minutes to distribute all of that oil to all of my hair follicles. This is so relaxing, it's making me fall asleep. Deep massaging like this will help the blood flow to your scalp and also make the rosemary oil more effective. Now I'm going to apply the same oil to my lens as well. You can also mix coconut oil in this oil. I also love applying coconut oil to my ends as they are fatty and it gives lots of extra shine to my hair. Honestly, I just love applying oil to my hair. I apply at least once a week. I like to put lots of oil at the ends of my hair as they are normally dry and rough. My hair is actually getting longer and longer. I need to trim it a little bit. Now I'm giving final massage to my scalp, and I'll leave this on for a couple of hours and shampoo as usual. You can also use rosemary tea for hair growth after you shampoo and shower. This will help to promote your hair growth. If you need a video on this, I've already made a video on my channel. Make sure you check it out. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thank you for watching.